Performance tuning and optimization is a critical aspect of database administration, and it plays a vital role in the overall health and efficiency of a database system. So let's break down why this task is so important for companies and explore ways database administrators can further improve their performance tuning efforts for better results. Let's talk about why this is important for companies, and then we'll discuss why it's important for database administrators. There are 4 key reasons why this is important for companies. First is enhanced user experience. Why is this important? Well-optimized databases lead to faster query execution times, which directly improves the user experience for applications relying on those databases. That way, users get quicker responses and enjoy more responsive and efficient applications. Number 2, cost savings. This is important because optimized databases use system resources more efficiently, reducing the need for additional hardware or infrastructure upgrades. This results in cost savings for companies as they can achieve better performance without necessarily investing in more time or powerful servers. Not only that, if they decide to transfer their data or migrate their databases to the cloud like AWS, that further optimizes their costs and they can monitor them even more effectively. Number 3, improved scalability. This is important because a well-tuned database is better equipped to handle increasing workloads. This scalability is crucial for companies experiencing growth naturally, as it allows them to expand their operations without sacrificing performance. The number 4 reason why performance tuning and optimization is critical for companies. It reduces downtime and increases reliability. And I know this is huge for companies because proactively identifying and addressing performance issues helps prevent bottlenecks in the system and reduces the likelihood of unexpected downtime. This grants access to improved reliability, ensures critical applications and services remain available to users. You can just imagine why this is so important. Let's recap. Number 1, enhance user experience. Number 2, cost savings. Number 3, improved scalability. And number 4, reduce downtime and increase reliability. Let's go beyond the companies and let's look into DBAs and how they can further improve their performance tuning and optimization. There are 10 ways for DBAs to further improve their performance tuning and optimization. Number 1 is query optimization. DBAs can work closely with developers to optimize and analyze SQL queries. This involves using tools like explain and analyze to understand the query execution plan, identifying inefficient operations, and proposing optimizations such as index creation, rewriting queries, or restructuring the database schema. Number 2, parameter tuning. How can DBAs improve this? They can improve this by regularly reviewing and adjusting database configuration parameters based on workload and performance characteristics. So DBAs should be familiar with databases configuration files, such as postgresql.config for PostgreSQL, and understand the impact of different settings on performance. And by using automated tools, this can assist in the process. Number 3, monitoring and alerts. By implementing robust monitoring solutions, this can continuously track the performance of the database. Setting up alerts to proactively notify the DBA team of potential issues or deviations from normal performance are extremely helpful. Or alternatively, using tools like pg_stat_statements or MySQL performance schema for detailed performance monitoring. Number 4, indexing strategy. So DBAs can evaluate and optimize the indexing strategy for database tables in order to ensure that indexes align with the types of queries frequently executed. By periodically reviewing and maintaining these indexes, you can remove any that are redundant or not providing significant performance benefits. Number 5, resource utilization analysis. DBAs can regularly analyze resource utilization, including CPU, memory, disk, I/O, and network activity. Use monitoring tools to identify bottlenecks and potential areas for improvement. Adjust resource allocation based on usage patterns and workload changes. Number 6, regular performance audits. DBAs, this is really crucial. You want to conduct regular performance audits to assess the overall health of the database. This involves reviewing historical performance data, identifying trends, and addressing any emerging issues. By being proactive, you can perform audits that help prevent problems before they impact your users. Number 7, collaboration with development teams. This is extremely important because it fosters a strong bond and a strong collaboration between DBAs and the development teams. This encourages developers to follow best practices in writing efficient queries and provides guidance on database interactions. With this regular communication stream, this ensures that your performance and considerations are integrated into the development process. This is crucial. Number 8, capacity planning. Implement capacity planning processes to anticipate future resource needs based on business growth and projections. By proactively addressing potential scaling challenges, DBAs can ensure that the database infrastructure is ready to handle increased workloads. Oftentimes, DBAs may be in a situation where the database and the configurations were pre-configured well before they arrived, and they run into limitations and challenges that they then have to piecemeal and jigsaw puzzle together a solution. By planning in advance, if you're setting up a new database, talk to the key people involved who may have insight as to the potential growth or the expected growth for the database. Using tools such as Amazon RDS can really aid in that scaling up and scaling down feature if a DBA isn't sure how much capacity they're going to need ahead of time. That way the company isn't stuck paying for resources that are being underutilized. Number 9, educational initiatives. DBAs, you already understand this. You want to stay well informed on the latest advancements in database technologies and optimization techniques. You want to share your knowledge with your other DBA teams as well as stakeholders, and conduct regularly scheduled sessions or workshops to empower your team members and developers with the skills they need for effective performance tuning. And number 10, performance testing. It's imperative that you implement regular performance testing in a controlled environment that mimics your production environment. This helps greatly identify performance issues well before they impact users. Automated testing tools can be valuable for simulating various scenarios and workloads. We've gone through a lot today. We focused on performance tuning, why it's important for companies, and why it's important for DBAs. By focusing on these improvement strategies, DBAs can not only address current performance challenges, but also establish a proactive and collaborative approach to maintaining an optimal database performance over the long term. Continuous learning, effective communication, and a commitment to ongoing improvement are key elements in achieving better results in performance tuning and optimization. With that, thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate you being here. If you have any questions on performance tuning or optimizing your database, don't hesitate to reach out. I trust that you found this helpful. If you have any questions, all my information is down below. Thank you and have a great day.